What's up? It's your girl Gigi, and in today's video I will be bringing to you guys a brand new teeth whitening kit that I got from Smile Brilliance. Smile fearlessly, okay? So today I will be showing you guys how I make my dental impressions and exactly how to use this kit. And then I just have to send off my impressions and wait for the trays to come back in the mail, and I will be making a follow-up video to show you guys the actual whitening process. So make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video so you guys can see how you can win your own teeth whitening kit. So this is the box that I got from Smile Brilliant, and inside, as you guys can see, so down here is the base paste and in the blue, and up here in the white is the catalyst paste. And what we're going to be doing is mixing those together so we can make our dental impressions. Over here, as you guys can see, these are the desensitizing gels, the teeth whitening gel, desensitizing gel, the teeth whitening gel. Yep, and you just get 3 of each, so that's what all of these things are on this side. So let's get started. Okay, so in the box it brings some instructions, which I clearly needed to read really quickly. And it's just saying that you mix the blue paste and the white paste, and you make a lighter blue paste, and then you take your bite line tray or your tray and you place the paste in there and bite into it on your top, for your top and for your bottom teeth. I'm gonna go ahead and start mixing one of the blue pastes with one of the white pastes. Feels a little weird, but it's okay. Okay, and now all you do is just mix them together until they're fully mixed. You have to make sure that you don't see any white or blue streaks, that they're fully combined, because that's what the instructions say, and you know you gotta follow the rules, okay? Okay, so now that it is fully mixed and one consistent color, I'm gonna go ahead. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take one of the trays, and I'm going to take the putty and the putty. All right, so I'm gonna take the paste. I'm gonna go ahead and roll it out a little bit, just to get a longer, thinner kind of shape, if that's a shape. And I'm just gonna go ahead and place it into the dental tray, and make sure it's nice and in there, and all the clay is inside of the tray. Okay, so you see, I do not suggest doing both at the same time because there's a drying process and you have to, let it dry correctly. So just to save yourself any mistakes or any time, I would just do one at a time. All right, so you just take it and place it into your top teeth. Well, I'm gonna do the top first. This looks so weird. All right, I know that was gross. I'm sorry, but but this is my dental impression. And so when you're taking it off, it feels like a cast is coming off your teeth. So yeah. All right, so this is the first one. It says to make sure to leave for 30 minutes and rinse with cold water. So I'm just gonna put this to the side. So here are my bottom impressions. This one came out a little bit, well, it was a little harder to place these ones on the bottom than it was for the top ones, but they are both done and off to the side. Okay, so now all I have to do is go ahead and once my trays are dry and rinsed, I just go ahead and mail it back in this envelope that they gave me, which is first class, which means it's gonna get there fast. And they will go ahead and send me my clear trays back. So once I'm actually done testing out the product and I have the results to show you guys, so I have a before picture and an after picture, I will go ahead and make a video, and that's when I will be giving you guys all the information about the giveaway I'll be doing for Smile Brilliant, where you guys can get your own kit. Like I said, make sure to go ahead and check the description box down below for any information. For the giveaway, I am possibly thinking about doing it on social media, so through Instagram or possibly Snapchat, so make sure to go ahead and follow me on there if you guys are interested in possibly winning your own kit. Okay, you guys, so this is the end of this really short, quick video, introduction to Smile Brilliant. I'll be coming back with a follow-up video showing you my results and actually how I go ahead and use the trays and the teeth whitening gel and everything. Like I said, if you guys are interested in the upcoming giveaway on a Smile Brilliant kit for yourself, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that subscribe button down below. You can also give this video a thumbs up if you like it. But you know I had to do a promo ad like. Smile fearlessly, girl, okay?